Hello,
Hello, baby. How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm also fine. Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, so we are on Unit 17. Baby, let me pull out the lesson. Did you eat your dinner, baby?
Yes,
Okay.
I yes, I did.
Okay, now let me share my screen. Okay, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, let me. Okay. Hold on, baby. Hi, because I am not. Hold on. I don't have any mouse. My son is using my mouse. That's why it's hard for me to click. Sorry, baby. Can you see it? Okay, Unit 17, days.
Yes.
Can you read it?
Unit
17.
17. A day's work.
Okay. So let's have the vocabulary. Can you read the number one? It's a
Occupation.
Job
Patient.
occupation.
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 Okay, it's a job, baby. Occupation is a job. Okay,
Job. Yes.
next is
Occupation. Mechanic.
Occupation. Machine.
mechanic.
Machine.
Baby, mechanic.
Mechanic. Mechanic.
Mechanic. Oh, so can you tell me what is a mechanic?
A person whose job is repairing.
Repairing.
Machine is
A mechanic.
repairing.
A mechanic is a person whose job
Repairing.
is repairing machines, especially the engines of
Repair.
vehicles.
Yes.
Again, baby. Read the mechanic.
Yes. Mechanic. Mechanic.
A person.
A person whose job is repairing machines, uh, especially the is
Engines
machines
of vehicles. Engines, baby.
engines, yes,
Vehicles.
vehicles,
Okay.
Mechanic.
mechanic,
Next. Chef, baby.
chef,
Chef.
Chef.
chef,
Chef.
chef,
A professional cook. Can you read it?
yes, a professional,
Cook.
professional cook, especially the master cook in a restaurant, hotel, act.
Chef is a professional cook, especially the most senior cook in a restaurant, hotel, etc. Again, can you read it?
Chef.
Chef.
Okay. Next. Photographer.
Photographer. A person who takes photographs, especially at a shop.
Photographer.
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 A person who takes photographs, especially as a job. Okay. Photographer.
Photographer. A person who takes photographs, especially as
Photographer.
As a job. Next is
Journalist.
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 Can you read it?
Journalist.
A person? A person?
A person whose
Job.
job is to collect and write news stories for newspapers, magazines, radio, or television.
Okay.
Journalist.
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 Journalist. Very good. A person whose job is to collect and write news stories for newspapers, magazines, radio, or television. Journalist.
Journalist. A person whose job is to collect and write news stories for newspapers, magazines, radio, or television.
Okay, very good, baby. Next. Look at the pictures. Write the jobs.
Yes.
Number one. What is number one?
Number one.
Starts with the letter M, baby.
Microwave.
What is the job of number one, baby?
Number one, microwave.
Microwave?
No.
It's a job.
No.
Mechanic. Mechanic, number one. Number two.
Number two, cooker.
Number two, cook or chef.
Chef.
Number three.
Number three, photographer.
Photographer. Number four.
Four,
Journalist.
journalist.
Number five.
Five is number five. I don't know.
Secretary.
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 And number six. What is number six, baby?
I don't know.
Doctor.
Doctor. Oh.
Number seven.
Seven. Actors.
Actors. It's already written. Okay. Actors, actress. Can you read it, baby?
Actor, actress. Actor, actress.
They are the one who
Who's this?
do the movie. Are you a good photographer?
Yes.
Wow. Are there any TV programs with famous chefs in your country?
Yes, there are.
Do you watch those programs?
Yes, I do.
Who's the secretary at your school?
Secretary school.
Who's the secretary at your school?
Secretary. I don't know.
Who's your favorite actor and actresses, baby?
Is the my favorite actor is is is
Who?
is is
Who?
is um is Harry Potter.
Okay, the movie. Okay. Can you read it, baby?
Yes. I take pictures of interesting
Interesting, baby. Interesting places and
lights
people.
and billboard for magazines. 2. I find out about things that happen and then write about them for newspapers and different television channels. 3. This person works in an office, answers the phone and writes messages, emails and letters. 4. I work in a restaurant. I cook for people who come to have meals. 5. You go to see these people if you are you. They look at you, give you medicine, and make you sure you get better.
Very good. This
6.
person.
This person can repair your car if you have a problem with it. 7. People come to sit and watch us on a theater stage. They can also see you in some TV
Programs.
programs.
Okay. A photographer. Journalist. A journalist. Can you read it?
A journalist.
A secretary.
A secretary.
A chef or cook.
A chef, cook.
Doctors.
Doctors.
A mechanic.
A mechanic.
Actors.
Actors.
Okay, listen and write the numbers of the job in A. Are you ready?
Yes.
17C. A day's work. Listen and write the numbers of the pictures in A. A.
I love my job. I love making different meals for people to eat. Our restaurant is very famous for its food.
B.
We have to work in theatres in lots of different places. But it's great because people like coming to see us.
C.
It's great when someone brings you a very old car. I have lots of fun with those. But most of our work is with newer cars. I like finding the problems and making everything right again.
D.
When something happens, we have to go and find out all the important things. Then we quickly send the news story to the newspaper office.
He. Chef. I chef.
A, chef. B,
Be a photographer.
C,
A tall.
and D.
The I don't know.
Okay. Okay, very good, baby. Which job in A do you like, baby?
Shop. Did you like this? I don't know.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Huh? Can you say again?
What do you want to be when you grow up, baby? What do you want to be when you grow up? Do you want to be a doctor, actor, photographer, journalist, a secretary? What do you want to be?
Is footballer.
Ah, okay, I got it. Okay. Which is the worst job?
Which job I do you like this? One is Thomas.
What is it?
Journalist.
Okay, your favorite. Okay, you said it's footballer. Okay. Why do you like to be a footballer, baby?
Because I like playing football.
Okay. Okay. Okay, listen and write a letter in each box. What did Sarah take to each place? What are these places? Okay, number 1 is a bookstore. Letter B, baby.
A bookstore.
Letter B, what place is it?
Office.
Okay, letter C.
Shop.
Shop. Clothes shop. Letter D.
Shop. Supermarket.
Okay, letter E.
Cathedral.
Castle.
Castle.
Letter F.
Hotel.
Hotel. Letter G.
Coffee.
And letter H. Street. Street. Say it again, baby.
Street.
Okay, Sarah. Let's listen, baby.
Yes.
17E. A day's work. Listen and look. There is one example. What did Sarah take to each place?
What's the matter, Mum?
I'm tired. There was something wrong with my computer this morning. I couldn't send any emails. I had to take some letters to another office in the town. It was a long walk.
Oh dear.
Can you see the letter B? Now you listen and write a letter in each box.
You know my new dark blue jacket?
Yes.
I took it back to that little clothes shop before I went to work. After I washed it, it was light blue. I was very angry. But the woman there was kind. She gave me my money back.
Did you write any stories today?
Yes, I took some good photos with my new camera too. I took it with me to the castle. A group of actors are making a film there. I asked them lots of questions. It was exciting. I saw Helen at lunchtime.
I like her. She's funny.
She is, isn't she? I needed to give her back her scarf. She left it in our car last Sunday. So I took it to the new cafe in High Street. We had a lovely meal there. I gave someone my umbrella today.
Why?
Well, I saw lots of people outside the supermarket. Dan Sun, the famous TV star, is making a new TV program about shopping there. I went inside to ask him some questions, but he was too busy to talk to me. Then it started to rain, so I gave it to him. I wanted to come home after that, but I had to take a map to a hotel first, the one where all the actors are staying.
Why?
Because one of the actors needed it. I found one in my favourite bookshop. He was very happy when I gave it to him.
Okay, very good. Okay. Good job, baby. Ah, hold on, baby.
Yes.
Okay, we're done with this.
Yes.
Okay, what is Sarah's job? A
Yes.
journalist. Can you read it, baby?
Yes.
What do journalists do?
She's journalist.
Okay, what is the job of a journalist? Write about, can you read it?
About important people and news stories.
Okay. So that is the job of a journalist. Okay, look. Opening. Can you read it?
Yes. Opening.
John
John
Clark.
Clark, a famous TV star, is staying at the Sea Hotel. Sarah is standing outside the hotel. She wants to ask John some questions, but there are too many journalists and photographs that Sarah can't get near him.
Competition.
Sali ka?
Sa ano?
TikTok?
Ano daw, sino mag-budget sa yun?
Hold on, baby. Baby, I have class. Okay, good job, baby. Simon is talking to me. Is Sarah near John Clark now?
No.
What is John Clark doing?
John Clark is standing.
Okay. Okay, going into the hotel. Where is Sarah now?
Sarah is a cafe.
What is Sarah drinking?
Sarah is drinking coffee.
Who is coming into the cafe?
John Clark.
Okay. Who is Sarah talking to now?
I don't know.
John Clark, right? What do you think they are talking now?
I think
About John Clark, about the film, or what is he doing? Okay, he is answering Sarah's question. Okay, what is Sarah's doing now?
Sarah is
Holding
a newspaper. It says our journalist Sarah talks to John Clark.
Okay, very good. Okay, we're not going to write all. This will be your assignment, baby. Okay. Look, alphabet job challenge. Actor starts with the letter A. Letter B, bus driver. Letter C, what letter C stands job? Chef, cook. Okay. Maybe I will be your assignment, baby. Hold on, baby. I will put it in your Skype. Baby, kindly do your homework, okay?
Yes.
You're not doing your homework. Okay, baby. I put it in your Skype, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so let's try this. Baby, on Wednesday, are you available or you want it to be on Thursday? Thursday, let's make it on Thursday. Our next class, okay?
Thursday.
Okay.
No.
You're not free? Hold on, baby.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
7:15.
Okay, same today. Okay. Okay, baby. It's Wednesday, 7 p.m. 7:15, okay?
7:15, okay.
See you on Wednesday.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.